To use solid color wallpaper for a specific chat on WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. Tap a chat you'd like to change its wallpaper. Tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select wallpaper. Next, tap solid color thumbnail. And then select the desired solid color wallpaper you like to use. You will see a preview to know how the wallpaper will look like if it's applied. If you are satisfied, tap set wallpaper to apply this wallpaper. The selected wallpaper has been set as the wallpaper for the selected chat. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.